Hello and welcome back. Today we are painting some delphiniums. So I'm starting to paint the top part where the buds are still opening, so they are still green in color, and I'm using sap green mixed with some lemon hue. So these are the top part of the flower buds, and then we'll start adding some purple to it. So these are the buds which are opening up now and showing some purple. And for the purple I'm using dioxizane purple, but you can use any purple that you have. I happen to have this one in my palette today. And this is a very simple and loose painting, so we will very loosely paint all the flowers here. So now I'm making some bigger flowers, because you'll see that the flowers get bigger and bigger towards the bottom, because these are the flowers which open first. And I'm painting them in all directions because just want to show it's full and we are seeing the flowers in the back and in front everywhere. I have also added a little bit of ultramarine blue to purple. And sometimes these flowers are seen in more bluish shades, so you can use more of ultramarine and less purple if you wish to do so. So adding more looser flowers opening at the bottom. So this kind of painting is perfect when you have little time and you want to just play with your colors and draw something or paint something pretty. So now I'll start to add or drop some green to indicate the stem. Making it a little darker. So for making it darker, I just added a little bit of ultramarine to this mixture of green. So for this painting, again, we're using very limited palette. I'm just using 4 colors here, of which so it's green, sap green, and then some yellow hue and purple, and a little bit of ultramarine blue. So these leaves, I'm painting them very loosely, just indicating the shape. Adding a few leaves. Just adding different shades of green here, which I'm creating by adding more yellow or adding blue to the sap green mixture. So at this point, this picture looks almost done to me. Just add a little bit of green here and there. making making them a little sharper. So this is complete at this time, but just to add some more interest to it, I'll add another branch, but that would be like my flowers which are out of focus. So this will be just very blur, but I think it will just add some more interest. So now, so what I did is I added some water first, and then I'm adding the same color mixture here. So for purple, it's my dioxizane purple, and then added with a little bit of ultramarine blue. And for the green, again it's my sap green and yellow mixed to it. So this the one in the background, it's very loose and it's painted wet on wet. Oh, adding some leaves very loosely. So this is very easy and very relaxing painting, and so whenever I have to do something easy and just want to take my mind off, I do these kind of paintings, and this is one of my favorite flowers to paint. It just comes naturally. So we'll add some splashes here, and we are all done here. So I hope you enjoyed painting this with me, and then you will give it a try, and I hope to see you soon. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I love to hear from you. Thank you.